This backyard is in need of a lot of help. A lot of this started from the runoff from the roof. You can see we don't have any gutters along the drip edge there. And before we put this gravel retaining wall in here, all the runoff came down, just killed the grass. And to make matters worse, we've got two big dogs that come running out of this door and tear up all the soil through here, so it had no chance of coming back. We're going to put a little paver step right outside the door here, right where the dogs come out and turn, and hopefully keep them from tearing up any new sod that we lay down.